This is Zhoucheng. This village is situated close to the city of Dali. And the first thing that I've noticed here is that it seems like everyone is involved in tie-dyeing. Why? Let's learn the story together.
Tie-dyeing is one of three traditional printing techniques with their origins in ancient China. It combines a number of different skills to produce beautiful patterns. Zhoucheng in Dali is popularly called the hometown of Bai tie-dyeing.
你好。
你好。
Hello。过来的时候发现好多院子里都种这些植物。
对。
你采摘的是什么呀？
板蓝根。
板蓝根。
对，这是我们用它来染色的。
Woodroot is thought to have great medical value among Chinese people. It's the basis of the most popular cold medicine here. So it came as a surprise to discover that the Bai people extract a pigment from it for dyeing. The Bai people have a unique approach to tie-dyeing. It involves 8 steps, of which, obviously, the tying and the dyeing are the most important. Duan Yingkai was born into a Bai tie-dye family.
扎染，我们就是说，画的时候自己一个创作，扎的时候自己一个创作，做的时候要大小要一致啊。
So, like, what I understood is, it has to be really, really tight. But when you do it tight, what I realized that you're gonna block other places, other spaces that you have to work with. So you're, like, contradicting yourself.
The designs in the Bai people tie-dyes represent what they see in nature. Every line tells a story about the environment surrounding them.
Now this is the most exciting moment, guys. We're about to dye it, and I am dying to see it. Okay, it's right there. Oh.
一开始是绿色的，慢慢它就在空气里面氧化才是蓝的。
It's got like a chemical reaction and becomes blue. When you look at it, it's green inside, but on the top layer, because it's contacting the air, the oxygen, it's turning blue.
把你先搅一下，搅均匀。
And you can't really tell, but the smell is so strong. It's so plenty.
你看它皱起的地方，它还没氧化，对不对？ 染的颜色差不多了，我们去洗了。
So she said, very important part is you have to dip it into the water with power. Because she said when you do it, then the pain will come out.
可以了。
行吗？
行。
还有我的老腰啊。Ooh. Oh
给
my
你先
gosh.
拆一下，看一下。
就差一个吧。
拆一个看一下。
This is the most important moment.
你看，
When you open it up, the knot that you had, it stays wide, right? And then you can see just so beautiful. But still, look, some of it is still green. And it's green because it has not contacted the oxygen yet.
The last step is when you get to witness the miracle. You cut away the stitches and remove the threads from the entangled places to reveal the patterns that were hidden among the tight knots. But you need to be careful. A tiny slip, and you can make a hole that will ruin the whole piece. What I love the most about tie-dyeing is that you don't know what's coming. And as a result, the outcome is unpredictable. So you'll never get 2 patterns and colors that are exactly the same.